29 forecast.
The next big thing I'm tracking from the Weather Center is a winter weather alert. Hello, I'm Storm Team 29 meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick. The National Weather Service has now issued a winter storm watch for portions of the Shenandoah Valley, including areas in and around Stanton, Waynesboro, also for the central and southern Blue Ridge Mountains for significant snow late tonight into early on Sunday afternoon. Here's what's going on right now. We're seeing a nice sunrise, a red sky sunrise looking off to the east over Water Street in downtown Charlottesville, looking towards Pantops Mountain there in the distance. These high-level clouds are increasing out ahead of an Arctic cold front that will bring us rain and then some snow area-wide. First things first, though, temperatures are well above freezing, even too warm to support frost in our area. That's warmer than daytime highs for this time of the year. So we have one more spring-like day before winter roars back late tonight into tomorrow. It's a clean sweep for now on NBC 29's live Doppler radar, but over the next 12 to 24 hours, things will be changing in a hurry. There are the clouds increasing out ahead of that Arctic cold front moving across the Ohio River Valley. That's what we showed you on the camera just a minute ago. Those are the high-level, mid-level clouds starting to increase now. No precipitation in sight, at least in the short-term outlook. As we look more long-term, here's our high-res weather tracker. It has a great handle on things. It shows the clouds increasing from west to east today, but we are rain-free. When you join us for the 6 p.m. news, it'll still be dry. But then when you join us for 11 p.m. here on NBC 29, I'll be tracking rain showers breaking out with rain and snow over the Shenandoah Valley and Blue Ridge Mountains. And then late tonight into tomorrow morning when you join us for sunrise, it should be snowing on our weather cams. And then by midday, the snow is moving on out with some lingering flurries throughout the afternoon and into the evening hours. So our forecast models are still not in great agreement. The American GFS shows a bullseye of heavier snowfall over the region, but I think this model run is too cold, too much moisture. The European model, I think, has a great handle on things. It shows a lower amounts, but the bottom line, it does look like the Blue Ridge Mountains, Shenandoah Valley, you're going to see the most snow out of this event. We're all going to get some snow east of the Blue Ridge, Central Virginia, including the Route 29 corridor, Charlottesville, Route 15. That's an inch, possibly two, mainly on those grassy areas. Enough for some slick roadways tomorrow morning, and then the main road should trend wet tomorrow afternoon, and then refreezing tomorrow night. 3, possibly 4, Harrisonburg, Stanton, Waynesboro with that bullseye because of the winter storm watch for areas along the southern Blue Ridge. And that's a 4 to 8 inch swath of snow over the higher elevations, including wintergreen. So after a slushy couple days, natural snow is on the way for the ski resort. So as we look ahead, we're okay on Valentine's Day Monday after a few slick spots in the morning, still chilly and dry. A warming trend on Wednesday and Thursday with rain likely by the end of Thursday night and Friday morning, and it could be heavy at times, maybe even a rumble of thunder. In your Storm Team 29 report today, clouds will thicken on up, remaining dry with highs in the low 50s for the valley, low 60s over central Virginia. Tonight, rain this evening will change to snow late tonight, lows just above freezing, so it will be a wet snowfall. Morning snow on Sunday, transitioning to some flurries in the afternoon. We'll have some slick spots in the morning and then some melting in the afternoon and then a refreeze on Sunday night. So keep that in mind for your Super Bowl party plans. Heading home, there will likely be a few slick areas with refreezing. 7-day forecast, a cold start to Valentine's Day in the 20s and teens, upper 30s on Monday afternoon, back in the teens on Tuesday morning, and then a slow rise in temperature on Tuesday and Wednesday, mid-40s Tuesday and seasonable, mid-50s Wednesday, and then spring-like rain will arrive later Thursday and Thursday night with some heavier rainfall, maybe even some local high water and gusty winds and possibly even a thunderstorm.
All right, much to watch out for, and obviously they can go to the Storm Team 29 app to track all of these things.
Your weather is always on.
Always on.
NBC29 mobile and .com. You get the latest forecast because this is the weekend where you definitely want to keep tabs of the weather.
Yeah, so Valentine's Day, it's looking all right, cold, but all right. Do you have any Valentine's Day plans? I know I normally spend mine with my cats at home. When I lived with my mom, that was the thing to do, was to just hang out with my cats. And
I really have no plans on Monday.
Have no plans. Well, you'll get a kick out of this because I know you're a cat dad.
Yeah. What's this?
Because some people just don't like Valentine's Day.
Okay.
There's a place where you can go and you can write your ex's name on a piece of paper, and and it'll go in a litter box.
Oh, okay. I've heard of that.
Have you heard of that?
I have.
Have you heard of this one? It includes some roaches.
Oh, viewer discretion advised.
Viewer discretion advised for sure. But if you're not a fan